Hello everyone, welcome to Dinstar product experience session. Today we are unboxing the mid-range flagship C63 series color screen IP phones. Featuring a large 2.8-inch display and 30 programmable line keys. They are specially designed for small call centers, department supervisors and multi-line front desks. The C63 GP shares identical operations and fully compatible accessories with the C63G in the same product series. The package comes with a full set of accessories: C63 GP main unit, HD noise reduced handset, professional RJ9 handset cord, gigabit Ethernet cable and multi-angle vertical stand. The C63 GP with suffix P supports PO power supply over Ethernet cable and is supplied without a power adapter, which can be purchased separately. The C63G without PO function comes with a standard power adapter as factory standard. The overall texture of the device has been fully upgraded. Equipped with a widened 2.8-inch 320240 HD color screen offering a larger display area to fully show multiple lines and speed dial numbers. It is equipped with 30-page switchable programmable line keys for one-touch transfer, call pickup and speed dial, greatly boosting work efficiency for customer service agents and front desk staff. Dual gigabit ports support VLAN division to adapt to complex corporate LAN environments. All models are compatible with Plantronics, Jabra and Sennheiser Arrays wireless headsets for comfortable long-hour use by agents. Inspect the large screen, RJ9 headset port and USB expansion port for damage after unboxing. Then finish assembly quickly in 3 steps. Easy assembly with zero technical threshold. Step 1. Connect both ends of the RJ9 handset cable to the handset and the RJ9 headset port on the back of the unit respectively, and plug them in firmly. Step 2. Align the base with the rear slot and push it in until it clicks into place. Step 3. Power on and connect to the network. For PO models, simply plug in a gigabit Ethernet cable to supply power and transmit data simultaneously, delivering neat and tidy wiring in equipment rooms. For standard models, connect the power adapter to boot up. The device will automatically detect the network and support unified remote network management configuration in response to paper reduction and environmental protection policies. This product series does not include printed installation manuals. You may download electronic installation and mass deployment manuals free of charge via the official Dinstar website or authorized partners. The devices support remote management through NMS and automatic mass onboarding, greatly cutting maintenance workload for enterprises with multiple branches. C63 series supports 6 SIP accounts, 5-party HD conferences, local call recording, multi-language interface and customizable function keys. It is compatible with Dinstar UC series zips and mainstream unified communication platforms at home and abroad. Perfectly suitable for department supervisors and SMEs, agents of small call centers and front desks of group branches. For network configuration issues, please refer to the electronic manual or contact Dinstar official technical support. Thank you for watching. See you next time.